Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we're going to demonstrate the Eyelets 1/4 inch assorted colors that are available at Sailrite. These are metal eyelets, so they're not recommended for outdoor applications. This 40-pack assortment comes with a tool to set them.
Okay, I have a 3/16 inch drill hole cutter here. You can use a 3/16 inch hole cutter of any type you like, but this is a drill hole cutter. And I have 2 layers of an upholstery fabric here. We're going to drill a hole through the upholstery fabric. That's 3/16 inch hole, and we're going to take this leather with it, which is no thicker than 1/16 of an inch, and we're going to drill the 3/16 inch hole in that. This revolving hole punch does have a 3/16 inch hole. It's the number 5, and we can punch holes through leather and fabric assemblies. So now we can take any color that we want. We're going to go brass for this one, and I'm going to put the finish side on the decorative side of the leather. This is the underside that doesn't look as nice. So I'm going to go through so that the ridge is on the decorative side, or the finish side. And it will be a tight fit. That's what we want. If it weren't a tight fit, it could come out. Okay, so there it's through. And then I'm just going to put this on a hard table. You could put this on a metal block or anything else that gives you a solid surface. And then it does come with an anvil, and the anvil goes down like this, and you hold it and you give it a few blows with a mallet, and there, that 1/4 inch eyelet is installed in the leather, and it will not rotate. It actually is gripping nicely on the bottom side. So that works well. Now let's put one in this fabric. Here I'm going to put a silver one in. And again, it'll be a fairly tight fit. There we are. 2 layers of fabric. You might be able to get 3 layers of an upholstery fabric, but 2 layers is probably best. And there it's installed in the fabric beautifully. This is a 1/8 inch Leech line, and you can see it fills pretty much the entire eyelet. This is a 5/64 inch line, and it fits beautifully in this. This would probably be good for even shade applications where you needed a small grommet.
You can order the Eyelets 1/4 inch assorted colors in a 40-pack with the setting tool and any of the other tools shown in this video from Sailrite. I'm Eric Grant, and from all of us here at Sailrite, thanks for watching.